everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I cannot believe that I didn't even make a video on 7,000. So this is some Wednesday wisdom. So this has been coming up a lot recently, and it's become prevalent that I need to share this and make this. So the statement that I've been repeating over and over and over again is just start. And what I mean by this is don't get so hung up in the what, or really even more importantly, the how. Just start, and those two things get answered. So there's a thing that I learned, and it's been around a while, but analysis paralysis. You keep looking at it, you keep looking at it, you keep looking at it, and you think you're going to come up with something, and you're hoping you're going to come up with something, but you never ever come up with a better solution than once you start. Because then you actually are doing it, and then you realize the gaps you have, or how deep you need to go, or you just missed a step. All of these things happen. So just start, because this was also kind of showing up in Discord, where people were really searching for an answer, searching for what to do. And it really just dawned on me, just start. And I've been sharing that a lot. And so I wanted to really make an explicit video. If you just start, then that will lead you from point A to a subsequent subpoint, and then maybe then B, and then you're going to learn something in between A and B, and then you're going to decide, do I want to go to C, or is this leading me down a completely different path? But it's just like pushing a car. You put it in gear, you put it in neutral, and it is so hard to get it moving. But once you get it moving, you're just walking right behind it. So that is the trick. I hate saying there's one thing, but this is step 0. This is the one thing. Just start. And don't think I have this all figured out, because I was going through and I was stuck. I kept trying to figure out, how was I going to make this class the best? What am I doing right now? And I wasn't going anywhere. And how I solved it is I just started. So I started the spreadsheet. I started making the videos. Then I realized, okay, do I want to do the exercises first or the videos first? And I found out that sometimes the videos are better to do first, and then I lead into it, and then sometimes I might fill in a video and a lesson as a gap. But the trick, the step 0, is just start. And most of the time, in my experience, that solves the fear as well. Because for me, it is always bigger. I always make a bigger problem out of it than it was. So there we go. There's some wisdom on Wednesday. Hope everybody's doing well. Make sure you're staying tuned until the end. Check these videos out. I bet you a nickel you haven't seen them, because there's 800 and gajillion. So, and actually, I was actually thinking about maybe even going back and doing a review of all the videos that are out there, because there are a ton of them. I think there are now 30 videos with over 1,000 views, and there's 800. So there's plenty of opportunities out there. And if there's also something that you look for, because actually we just found a hole last week or the week before that I was answering a question on Discord, and I realized that I didn't have that problem, that answer answered. So there we go. Please, I highly recommend you joining over on Discord. It's down in the link below. And if you know anybody who's struggling learning Python, especially fall is going to be coming up very soon, send them over to this channel, because this is a great resource. This is the whole point of this. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.